Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn 10 English phrases that are commonly used by native speakers. These phrases will help you sound more natural and confident in your English conversations. Number one, how's it going? A casual way to ask someone how they're doing. Example, hey, how's it going? I haven't seen you all week. Number two, I'm so down. A phrase used to express enthusiasm or agreement. Example, do you want to go to the movies tonight? I'm so down. Number three, that's a great point. A phrase used to show agreement or appreciation. Example, I think we should invest in a new marketing strategy. That's a great point, John. Number four, I'm not a fan of. A phrase used to express dislike or interest. Example, I'm not a fan of horror movies. They're too scary for me. Number five, let's catch up soon. A phrase used to express interest in staying in touch. Example, it was great running into you at the party. Let's catch up soon and grab coffee. Number six, I'm on the same page. A phrase used to show agreement or understanding. Example, I think we're on the same page when it comes to project goals. Number seven, that's a no-brainer. A phrase used to express that something is obvious or easy to decide. Example, do you want to go to the beach or stay home on a sunny day? That's a no-brainer. Number eight, I'm feeling under the weather. A phrase used to express that you're not feeling well. Example, I'm feeling under the weather today, so I'm going to stay home and rest. Number nine, let's take it one step at a time. A phrase used to express that you should focus on one thing at a time. For example, I know we have a lot to do, but let's take it one step at a time and prioritize our tasks. Number 10, I'm so excited for you. A phrase used to express enthusiasm or congratulations. Example, I'm so excited for you, you just got engaged. And that's it for today's video on 10 English phrases used by native speakers. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to practice using phrases in your everyday conversations. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.